Welcome back, Business Balance System users. I am here with another training for the Business Balance System software. And this week we are talking about reporting, or no, understanding your business. Today we're talking about reporting, but understanding your Business Balance System software. Um, we get so focused on the funnels and the conversations and the memberships and all that stuff that we forget that there's some really powerful things happening behind the scenes. And I wanted to share that with you all. So, yesterday we talked about understanding the billing portion of it. Yes, you do pay $97 for access to all of the features in the system every month. But if you are sending text messages, emails, making and receiving phone calls using the AI functionality. Those all have a small price attached to it, just like if you were using any other system. You have the convenience of using it all in the business balance system software, but there is a cost associated. And so I talked about all of that yesterday, explaining all of that. And so if you have not watched that yet, I definitely recommend that you go back and watch it. And today we are talking about some of the reporting features in the business balance system software. So this is more so for people who run Facebook and Google My Business ads. And also if you have a sales team that you are working with in the system. So we'll get into that. I will warn you, there's not a lot of data here. I am in the process of creating an account that has mock data, but I have not done that just yet. So just kind of imagine there's a lot of data. I used to share real life examples, but I was sharing a lot of information that I don't think that I should share. So this is where we're at now. So, anywho, to get to the reportings area, it's right over here on the left side toolbar, like everything else, right here where it says reporting. And I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what's in here. So you have Google Ads. So if you have your Google My Business account connected and your Facebook account connected where your ads manager is. And the easiest way to do that is in the launch pad. If you have not done it already, it'll still be here for you to connect those things. If you do have it, if for some reason the launch pad is not available to you, you can always do this by going to integrations. If you click on settings and then integrations here, you'll be able to add your Google My Business and your Facebook and um, Instagram accounts. I think there's going to be some social media yeah, here we go. So we have like you have ads for TikTok, you have ads for Facebook. So the reporting is not there for yet just yet, but it will be soon. So once you have those things connected, I'm going to go back to reporting here. And so you'll be able to see what's happening with your Facebook and Google ads. In this attribution reports area, you'll be able to see what's attributing to your revenue, your call log. So if you are making or receiving phone calls, you'll be able to get data for that here. If you have a sales team, agent reporting, so this will break down what's going on with your sales team. And then if you are getting appointments either through ads or organically, it'll give you a report of your appointments. So in the Google Ads area, you'll be able to drill this down to each campaign, see how many clicks you've gotten, the cost of it, the revenue from it, and your rate on return. It'll just give you all the information. You can click here and you can go into the ad and see just all the intricacies of the ads and um, all of those things, the impressions, the clicks, client spend, the conversion rate, just all of those things you'll be able to see here. Same thing for Facebook ads, which you're not going to see a ton Oh, yes, you will. So a ton of data here, but it's the same thing. It looks like they're the same ads pretty much running, but you'll be able to get that data as well. The impressions, the clicks, the conversions. It's giving it to you by each month at a glance here, and then at a glance there as well. When it comes to the attribution reporting, it'll show you revenue closed and opportunities closed and give you the data on that. You'll be able to see the dollar amount here and the number, the contacts created and the sessions created with each contact, opportunities closed. So there will be graphs and data here for you to be able to see all of these things. Once you have that connected, you can filter it by date. You can refresh the data. You can look at it by each area that you have out there. So let's say you have a form connected to your ads. You can see how well that form is doing, a survey. If you have a calendar connected where you're getting leads from appointments, you can see how well that's doing, or you can look at it all together. Same thing with call reporting. You can see how many missed calls have been answered versus how many have been missed. The top sources, you always want to know what efforts you're making and how well those efforts are doing so that you'll know, what you need to change, or, what's doing great and you may need to beef up. But then there's more reporting here, calls answered, calls missed, first time calls, and that kind of thing. And then all of your calls will show up here. You'll be able to filter it by all calls. Once you have data in here, missed calls, all of those things, you can do the the date change here. Tons of ways for you to filter down, and see how things are going. Call status, device type, all of that. You can drill down all of these things. The marketing campaign, the business campaign, you'll be able to drill all of that down. And you can download that information if you want to put it in a spreadsheet or something. You'll be able to do that as well. And then you have agent reporting. So if you have a sales team, you'll be able to look at your sales team and how they're converting at a glance. It'll show you all of the calls, the efforts that they're making, how many SMS messages, opportunities, conversions, and emails, and the efficiency of that. You can also create a leaderboard. This always gets the needle going. Who's doing the best? Who may not be doing so well? They may need some redirecting or something like that. Create that here. You can drill this down by the team members. Right now, this is the only person on this team, but if you had a sales team, you can see how each individual or person was doing in each of these areas. And then you have the appointment reporting, which is important because a lot of your revenue is going to come from the calls that you're taking, the calls that are being booked. So this is another reporting feature that you have: calls booked, confirmed, showed, no showed, and canceled. You can filter this down as well by all appointments. You can look at January 2023, all the calendars, that you may have, and the appointments created and who the appointment was booked for. And you can add that date information there as well. But these are all great features. It makes the system really robust, and very useful when you are running your ads and wanting to see what is working and what is not working. I feel like there was something else that I wanted to mention. You know how to get to reporting, how to, in your dashboard. Once you connect your Facebook and I'm gonna switch over here. Once you connect your Facebook, if you look in your dashboard, which is your business, like at a glance, you'll be able to see your lead source report, your Facebook ads report. If you had your Google My Business or your Google account and you were running Google ads, you'll be able to see that as well. Um, yeah, so that's all. This is just your dashboard when you log in, but you'll be able to see this at a glance every day. Um, where you don't have to go into the reportings area every single day. You'll be able to see this at a glance every single day and just know where your business is, keeping a pulse on that. And your sales team will have access in their different dashboards when they log into their accounts as well. So they'll know how well they are doing and that kind of stuff. So that is the reporting feature. I hope you all are utilizing this. This is the pulse of your business. This is what running a business looks like. Knowing these things, knowing the data of your business is extremely important. So definitely keep an eye on this and utilize this feature in the account when you're using those things. So if you have any questions or anything like that, definitely let me know. Um, and I will, once I get the account up and running with the data on it, I will show you guys some more things having to do and kind of break those things down so that you can see it in action. But until then, I hope that this helps you at least get started with those things. So until next time, bye bye.